What's up, everybody? Welcome to Royall Visuals. If you're... Yo, what's up? What are you doing here?
What do you mean, do what we're doing here?
We're doing a masking tutorial. No, I'm not
Come
going
on.
to do a masking
It's going to
tutorial.
be way more interesting.
Fine, okay.
Yes, really?
We'll do masking.
Awesome. Well, I'm going to go downstairs
So-
and get some snacks.
You heard the guy. We'll do a masking tutorial, so we'll jump into Premiere Pro right now and I'll show you exactly how this is done. See you in there. We're inside Premiere Pro now, guys, and what you need to do this masking is you need to take your two clips or your two recordings or how many you made when you were doing your masking. So you need to do a clip of you talking and then a clip talking to yourself, and these are my two, and they're on two different levels. So you need to take two clips and you need to stack them on top of each other, either or. It can be any way. I've just done it this way for ease of use. So from there, what you need to do is you need to split these clips. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring that over to that side. We're going to go to here and we're going to move that across on the position tab over to this side. So that should split your clips. So from there you need to select your top layer, which should be V2, and you need to click the free draw bezier icon, and all you need to do here is you might need to resize your window so you can fit it in. So you just need right down the middle, you just need to make a box, simple as that, join that up, and then that's your masking. So this is a mask. So from there what you need to do is just invert and it'll show the other side. So from here what we can do is, at the moment it's quite a hard line in between and it looks a bit obvious. So to make that better, all we need to do is select the mask and we just need to bring the feather up, which will make that line less harsh, and also the expansion can work too. So if we now look at that, that looks a little bit better. So you need to make sure with this is you haven't got any objects on the background which can distract away from this illusion or make it feel like it isn't right. So from what you can do there, simple fix is you can grab the mask if you just click on the mask path and you can just bring it over and that'll make anything unsightly. So from there you can see just a little bit in the bottom there, which is kind of making it a little bit grained, a little bit washed out. So what we could do with that, we should be able to fix that. We could just pull these apart a bit more. So if I try to bring that, and then we'll do it to the other one, and then you've got your mask, you've got your masking done. So you just need to have a conversation with yourself. So that's it, that's how you mask. It's very simple. You just need to be careful of two things. You've just got to make sure your feather is working so you get rid of that harsh line. If you've got a same background it's going to be a lot easier, and just your expansion, just play with that so it gets rid of anything in the background you don't want to give away, and just make sure these aren't touching here. You've also got your mask opacity. So what I tend to do with the opacity as a quick tip is when you're lining these up, I normally make 1 to about 50% so you can see. So when you're moving, you can see where you're moving it to, and that kind of helps you to gauge where you are in the frame. It's quite an easy tip, and then just bring that back up, and then job's a good one. So we'll head back now. well, that's it for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I enjoyed making it. It's quite a fun little thing to do and quite easy, as you've just seen. So if you did like this, then yeah, please drop a like. Subscribe to the channel, as we're doing tutorials every Thursday, and I'll be dropping some of my other videos soon. And yeah, just leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I guess I'll see you again next Thursday. See ya.